So today we're going to be replacing the cabin filter for an E350 Mercedes 2008. This is the filter we're going to be using for this. So the first part we got to do is we got to turn those plastic clips by 45 degrees. There we go. So there's one. Another. And the third one. So that allows us to lift this off. You know, the next item we're going to have to do, this is where the filter is, we're going to have to unscrew. So we're going to just use a 10mm socket on this now. There we go. So that's off. Alright, and now this lifts up. And there's a little clip back here. There you go. So this lifts up like this. Let's get this out of the way here. And there you go. And that's our filter. So we're going to take the filter out now. There we go. So that's a charcoal filter going out. We're going to put a new one in a second. So here's our replacement filter that we got to fit in. So, there we go. There we go. The filter's in. We're going to hook those pieces here up above and install it. So there we go. There we go. So that's in. We're going to put this back on. Go. And now the last piece is this here. So the part we're going to have to do now is we're going to have to align this particular part, plastic piece, with this here, because this can move. So let's line this up first. So this is how those clip in here. This up. So there you go. Here's one. One's on. Second one's on. And the third one. I have to push this back here. Line it up. There you go. Make sure that this fits right on, and this completes our job.